Learn the Turkish word affedersin. Objective. By the end of this lesson, you will understand the meaning, pronunciation, and common uses of the Turkish word affedersin. Merhaba arkadaşlar. Welcome back to Turkish Language Academy. Today we'll learn one of the most useful and polite Turkish words, affedersin. If you want to sound respectful and kind when speaking Turkish, this word is a must-know. Meaning of affedersin. Affedersin comes from the verb affetmek, which means to forgive or to excuse. So, affedersin literally means you forgive or excuse me. It's used in informal situations, when speaking to friends, people your age, or younger than you. For formal situations, the polite version is affedersiniz. Pronunciation. Affedersin. A, fe, der, sin. Say it slowly. Af, fe, der, sin. Common uses of affedersin. Let's look at some real-life examples where you can use affedersin. 1. When you want to get someone's attention. Affedersin. Bir şey sorabilir miyim? Excuse me, can I ask you something? Use this when you want to politely start a conversation, like asking for directions or help. 2. When you accidentally bump into someone. Affedersin. Oops, sorry. Similar to English sorry or excuse me when you make a small mistake in public. 3. When you need someone to move aside. Affedersin. Geçebilir miyim? Excuse me, may I pass? Perfect for crowded places like buses, markets, or streets. 4. When you want to apologize gently. Affedersin. Seni beklettim. I'm sorry, I kept you waiting. Shows politeness and respect for others' time. Bonus example. Affedersin. Adın ne? Excuse me, what's your name? A friendly and polite way to start the conversation with someone new. Cultural note. In Turkish culture, politeness is highly valued. Saying affedersin or affedersiniz makes you sound respectful, considerate, and well-mannered. Conclusion. So now you know how to use the Turkish word affedersin in different situations. It's one of those words that make your Turkish sound natural and polite. Try using it today. Even a simple affedersin can open doors to friendly conversations. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Turkish Language Academy for more fun Turkish lessons. Görüşürüz.